Hi everyone, welcome to Kay's Favorite Things. And it's been a while since I put out a video. We had a lot of stuff going on in our lives. A job change, we've had my laptop went out that I edit my videos on, and I still haven't replaced that. And my light went out in my kitchen. It was just a multitude of things. And plus it's been so hot. We've been cooking outside, mostly on the grill, and eating out too, which we need to quit doing. So my crock pot, or my slow cooker, went out a while back, and I have not replaced it. So today I thought I'm going to replace that, and my husband's wanting me to make some chili, which I've got a video up on the chili that he likes. But I went and I bought this. This is an Instapot multi-cooker. It does multiple things: sear, saute, stew, slow cook, bake, steam, roast, rice, and it has a keep warm function. So I'm going to unbox this and show you what it looks like, and we're going to make some chili today. So we'll be back in just a minute. Okay everybody, we're back. We're going to open this up and see what it looks like. I'm really excited because I've been without a multi-cooker for a while. So you get a recipe booklet and a user's manual with this. So that is good. And you get a glass lid. I was wondering, they didn't have a display model, and I couldn't tell if the lid was glass or not, and it is. It's a nice heavy duty lid too. Alright, let's open this up. Isn't it funny, the little things that you get that you're so excited about? And it has a ceramic pot. This is the ceramic pot. Oh, there's the little measuring cup, and it measures 1 cup. And here's the rack. I have a rack for my other one, and it's a little smaller than this, so this is nice, especially if you're going to make a big meatloaf or something for a bunch of people, or you can make 2 small ones and put them side by side. Hey, look at that. That is nice. It's got rubber handles. That is cool. Can y'all see that, or is that light? There's kind of a glare. Let me turn that to the side. See how big that is? Wow. I like it. Yeah. This is kind of heavy. See if I can get this out of here. It looks like it's well made. It's sturdy. Got a nice heavy duty cord. Okay, I'm looking to see what quart it is. It's a 6 quart. There you have it. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? That is so cool. I love this. I think I'm going to really enjoy it. So that goes in there. And if you want to put your rack in, you can put it right there. And there is the lid. And the lid fits really tight and good. So I am going to try this out. I'm really excited. So I'll show you how it sears. I'm going to sear some hamburger meat in here, and then we're going to make that chili. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, everybody, we're back, and I'm going to turn this on to sear saute. And we're going to put our hamburger meat in. This is 96% lean, 4% fat. So we'll see how this is going to work. Drop that in there. My husband's hollering for me to come here. I don't know what he's wanting, but you're going to have to wait a second. Okay, so let's see. It says 400 degrees, so I guess that's what it's set at for sear saute. So we're gonna let this heat up and we'll start cooking this, and we'll come back in a minute once this gets going. I'll tell you how long it takes. Okay, everybody, it has done a great job of searing this. The only thing that kind of aggravates me is this lid moves around a little bit. But I don't guess that is really that big a deal in the big scheme of things. Okay, I'm gonna add my Rotel. Gotta have Rotel in chili, it's just the way it is. All my spices. And I do have a recipe up if y'all want to go look at it for chili. Most people have their own recipe. This is tomato paste. I always get the bigger can. I mainly just want to see how this cooker is doing. And so far it's doing pretty good. I'm liking it. Add some water. Get the rest of that. Stir this up. Alright, I'm going to cook this for a little bit and add a little more water to this. I may add another can of Rotel, and we'll come back and we'll add the beans in just a moment. Okay, I added a jalapeno, a really big jalapeno. We're going to add all of our beans. My husband likes a lot of beans. Some people like a lot of meat. I usually just use about a pound of meat and a whole bunch of beans and vegetables in there. Whatever kind of vegetables you have on hand that you like to put in, you can add them. For today it's meat and beans and tomatoes, onions and jalapenos, and I may add some more jalapenos. But anyway, that looks good. I've got it on slow cook. Everything in here is already cooked, so I'm going to let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll kind of go over how it's worked, and I'll show you what the end product looks like. So we'll be back in a little bit. I put it on 2 hours to slow cook, and then I punched to keep warm. But this shows you what all it does. There was a little sticker right there on this part right here. It said caution. I went ahead and took that off, and it was all sticky. So I used this Goo Gone. I've had this forever. This is an old model, but it shows you, and it really takes stickers off. So that's what I used to get it off. But the lid fits on good. There's the chili. It looks really good. That's not one big chunk of... Hang on just 1 second. I want to... Did I not cut that up good? Where'd it go? Oh yeah, it was just... Okay. I thought there was one big, huge jalapeno in there. I didn't want that to happen. Anyway, that's what it looks like right now. It looks really good. So we'll come back in a little bit and we'll tell you how it's worked. I really like it so far. The only thing I didn't like was how loose this was. But I guess that doesn't matter overall. So we'll be back. Hi everybody, we're back. And I just want to tell you about this little cooker. It's been cooking a little bit over an hour. I've been reading about it, and there's a lot of different things you can cook in here. You can fix rice, you can fix roast, you could fix desserts. The Instapot recipe booklet, it's really nice. I've looked in it, and I think I'm going to fix multiple things in here, even pizza. You can see, of course, you can fix soup and stew and different things like that, and I'm going to try probably just about all of those. So, but I really like this handle. It's heavy duty, the lid. It seals really well. I like these rubber grips on the handles here. You can see it says Instapot on it. I think that is silicone. You can pick it up even whenever it's really hot. I like the display. It's really easy to see, and even whenever I don't have my glasses on, I can see it just fine. And it's got everything listed on there. You can cancel it. Keep warm function is on. Whenever I started, I just put slow cook, low, and I put it on for 2 hours, and then after that 2 hours is up, if you punch keep warm, it'll keep it warm, and I think for up to 10 hours or so. I haven't really read the thing thoroughly, so I need to do that. But I like this pot. It is ceramic, so I did not want a Teflon coated one. I wanted ceramic, and that's what this is. So I really, really like it so far. The only thing I didn't like too well is this pot moves around a little bit. So, but that is really no big deal in the whole scheme of things. So far, the likes way outweigh the dislikes. That's the only thing I found that I don't like as well. I wish that fit a little bit tighter. But anyway, we're going to try multiple things with this, and I'll bring you along for it. And tonight, it's going to be chilly. So, it's raining outside. We've got some thunderstorm alert, so it's going to be a nice evening to have this. So anyway, thanks for coming along, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.